Calendula is an amazing herb. This annual has beautiful flowers with the most popular colors being white, orange, and yellow. It is great for treating burns, bruises, and cuts. It also helps with skin infections and dermatitis. I am collecting some seeds today. They look like small dried worms. I will save these for next year to replant in the spring. I simply wait until the flower is brown and has dried up. Then I roll the brown petal under my fingers and the seeds fall out. One calendula plant can produce hundreds of seeds.